The current state of our nursing lab it's a little bit antiquated, and we need to move into a higher technology atmosphere and environment for our students.
The new lab that's planned for our students, I think, is going to give them a lot of opportunities to kind of have a more realistic experience as far as engaging in what looks and feels and works like a hospital setting. I think it's going to be good for them to practice their skills.
Simulation is great practice for being on the floor. You could take nursing courses, but you really need those hands-on skills, which is why the nursing lab is so important.
I believe that this will assist in attracting and recruiting new nursing students into the program. The space will also allow for better delivery of our class and lab, and it's fundamental in carrying out our simulation courses as well.
Next summer we're going to have a new student learning commons put in across from student services. It's going to be more equipped to help with students and giving them more quiet time and space to do their work. And we're also going to have a cafe being put in there so you can have coffee and maybe some snacks.
The benefits of the new student learning commons is it's one space that students can go to for all of their academic support. There will be tutoring there, as well as designated individual and group study space, library services, technology services, as well as food available for students.
The renovations sound really nice, especially with somebody who studies really hard for each of her classes. Just being able just to come around people and have a quiet space to be able to actually think outside your home and not having to worry about all the responsibilities in your home and just have to focus on your classes.
I think it's wonderful. It encourages everybody, gives you a space and makes you comfortable. Brand new, looks good. What's not to be excited about?